Ciao amici, I'm Master Leo Spizzeri. Thank you so much for joining us. This is an incredible class. The topic being making one dough for multiple styles of pizza. What I'm gonna do is kind of with my fingers, I'm gonna start to take the dough and I'm kind of squeezing it through my fingers. We would take the dough like this and slap it against the table and fold it on top of itself and pull back. So I wanna go maybe about a ½ inch, same thing as we just did on the first side, but I'm gonna do these cross cuts like this, right? I'm gonna start in the middle and I'm gonna stir to the outside. Make sure that you break them up really good, and we're gonna launch this into the oven. And I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in the oven to get it started. All of a sudden, my pizza's nice and crispy. Can you see underneath here how beautiful this color is, right? Before all my mozzarella now slides all over the place. I don't know about you guys, but this looks probably better than most pizzerias in my neighborhood, right?